sauce. And look there. Wow. Just look at that richness.
Can sing and share and cooking tutorial. Welcome, like, comment, share and subscribe. Welcome to the Sauce Doctor. We are take over tonight. Sauce Doctor, Sauce Doctor. Welcome back to Adrian, cooking and food review.
Gwaan Sauce Doctor fam, welcome back to another video. Today we're eating the one and only Eat, Cook and Live It Up Smile coconut garlic butter sauce. And she hooked me up with all of this seafood, Lord of mercy. Alright, when you know say it's tradition to drink something, so we're drinking some tropical rhythm, you understand me? Let's hope that food they have rhythm still. Chrissy, you nervous? When you know I don't normally eat king crab, right? But she hooked me up today. I'm gonna see all of that flavor. Hey. No sir. Let's see. I go for the king crab first. I only don't come for me if I don't do it right. But off the bat you can tell that it's full of flavor. Look at all that flavor on the shell. Wow. Oh no, look there. No sir. Alright, I'm gonna review it food, you know. I'm gonna do it. Look at that sauce. Oh no, look there. Wow. Just look at that richness. Ooh. Alright. I bought this sauce, a lot of garlic, that lemon, and I'm not only saying that because I could make it. Let's go for some potato. I watch her cook all of this. And she put so much flavor in it. Just look at that sauce. You know what I love about this sauce too? Not a whole bunch of butter. Right there. All the corn. Wow. Wait a minute. And you know what's perfect about the sauce? Is that it has a little bit of kick to it, but it's nothing that won't kick you off the head. But now look at. I'm not for see it to believe it. Look at that. No sir. When you hear when she said the lobster tail tender, no lies. Yeah. I will say, think I want artist of Jamaica say, girl you better can cook, you don't need no recipe book. Guys, I'm gonna make some food for Chrissy, I'm nervous. And look there. There's so many garlic butter sauce on the market. I haven't tried a lot of them. I've tried some. And the biggest problem is that there's so much butter. When you dip some, no coat. Look at them. Wow. To really test a sauce to see if it's really good, I'm You gotta try everything. Me know, enough only jealous right now. Yeah, man. Chrissy, the right on the sideline. I mean, I say it because she the right so. Look. Wait a minute. Shout out to Steph and Tasha. The volcano. Messy eating today. Look at it. Wow. Let me tell you. Every time you watch her, you girl, Christy, you girl. Let me say no, sir. Why is your beer going, sir? Let me see it today. Where? I still can't stop talking about the consistency. And this is not any basic coconut butter sauce. Full of garlic, it's thick. Yeah. Wow. So, should they plan to give me one whole heap of food? And I was like, this is the perfect amount. I mean, I seriously can't understand why I should drink this sauce. So, you see, Chrissy is my friend. So, and then I go on her video and I try to say if we not talk foolishness, you know. And if one woman say, I should have fly her out to cook for her. And then I have to tell the lady, say, I have to fly out there and pay her. Because this deserves more than a plane ticket. Chrissy, when the restaurant come, let them know. I'm not fool with her at all today. Not today. And listen, normally on my channel we have a topic, but today can't stop eating. Because in the earlier stages of Chrissy video them, she used to say it's an eating show. And she'd give me all of this good food. I have to turn it into an eating show. So my girl Silly's Mukbang, she made a song for she made a song for me. She said, can't wait to try this sauce today. A lot of you know, me know, waiting to try the sauce. And me make sure so I want to get the sauce because she have to go release it. Wow. Yeah. Woo! Baby. You know someone that come from a stay. You don't get all of the meat. And none now go to waste. Ain't no mountain high enough. Yeah. When you see how me focus, wow. But yeah, and then messy. She have the hand wave. So out to everybody who came in the live. That was fun. So some people waste all their knuckle. You see Chrissy cook this down in some coconut milk, garlic and oh yeah. Let's soak it up. Pour it up, pour it up. Yeah. We don't need that sauce. Smack, smack, smack. Look at that. The can done. Let's see that more. Wow. Call me Mr. Clean the Plate today. Wow. Ooh. Ladies on. Wow. Yeah. One more lobster tail. Look at all that flavor. Belly I get full now. I'm gonna keep eating. Ooh, sorry. That means I smash the plate. Where? Let me tell you, the hospitality here. When you hear me talk about hospitality, like me in a restaurant, don't you? But that's the feeling. Good 5-star quality food. This. So yeah, we're almost done. But see them. What do you think? Let's act a fool today, man. Let's do it, do it, do it. Sausage and lobster. But I just said it's like a 5-star treatment. Everything yam good. What I think is that this sauce right here is gonna be good on so many things. Like see them? Yeah. You can cook on your shrimp in this, put it on your steak, everything like that. I see so many of these butter sauces good on steak, and to me, steak has so much fat that you don't need all that fat again. But this right here, that's it. So, final bite. Let's toss it up. We clean the plate. You see, if I was you, I would be jealous too. That's one Chris put our whole body in that one there. But yeah. Sorry. Me always tell you so when the food nice, you make your burp. But guys, honestly, I hope Chrissy come up with the sauce soon, or a sauce, because you ready. You ready for the market? You ready? We're not ready for this yet. But guys, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the content, you've been here before and you still haven't hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Go Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss a brand new upload. And as always say, share with your friends, share with your family, share with your neighbors. Don't be selfish because they want to be a part of this fun and personality. Please don't click out the video, just see the food nice, still I can't remember what I said. Please don't click out the video just yet because you want to be serenaded by the one and only Silas Mukbang. Thank you for today. Love you guys. Now what me say? Head over to Chrissy and tell her we want the sauce. Alright, love you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.
Damn.